One of the most important functions a franchisor will perform is qualifying franchise candidates. Qualifying franchise candidates is a two-way street. You are qualifying the candidate with specific criteria to make sure that the candidate meets this criteria. And they are qualifying you to make sure there is a fit for them. Today's franchise candidates are more sophisticated than ever before in terms of general franchise information, franchise law, and even the legal documents. That means all franchisors must be professional and demonstrate expertise in franchising as a business strategy. Qualifying candidates requires preparation on the part of the franchisor, knowing what questions to ask the candidate and knowing how to build rapport and trust. Some of the information that the franchisor will want to obtain in the initial call is things like how the candidate learned about the concept. This is for future marketing purposes. The candidate's contact information, like their name, address, phone number, and email address. This is for follow-up with the candidate. Where is the candidate interested in opening a franchise? Are they in fact in your target market for expansion? When is the candidate looking to start franchising? In other words, what is their sense of urgency to open a franchise? 3 months? 6 months? A year? Longer? Who will run the franchise on a day-to-day basis? Is the candidate going to be a hands-on operator or not involved in the business on a daily basis? And of course, how does the candidate plan to finance the development of franchise? This is extremely important because a candidate must have the financial capability that meets your initial investment range. All of these questions help you to qualify the candidate and gives you a good basis for moving to the next step in the qualifying process, or not, with the candidate. Remember, at any point in time in the process, if you feel the candidate is not a fit for your franchise system, you can professionally end the process. If the candidate does qualify on the initial call and you decide to proceed to the next step, all subsequent contacts with the candidate are equally important. You will continue to qualify the candidate on every contact and encourage the candidate to do the same with you. The qualifying process is all about being prepared with a predefined set of goals, questions, being consistent, and giving every candidate your undivided attention so that you and the candidate can make a sound, informed business decision.